YouTube. What's good, guys? Welcome back to the spot. I hope you are doing well on this glorious 8:30 a.m. Man, so people know I do rush jobs, I do barter, like apparently I'm the guy that people like to know. Like I hear my name or I hear about me in town a lot, even more so that I started YouTube. And how do I know it's me? They refer to me as the tall black guy that always wears hats, right? But there's more. He has a piercing on his eye, and he always color his hair. It's funny. So apparently, and they know my block. They like, hey, just roll up. He the guy with the bikes out front and 2 red cars. And that's how they roll up. Like I had to put cameras around because people pop up on me all the time now. But anyway, so I got a guy. He comes over this morning. He has a gig at 9:30, and he say he can't get his machine running right, and he need me to get it right. He say that people told him I do rush jobs and stuff, so he want to see what I'm about. He's a soldier, and I love working for my fellow brethren. As a prior service retired combat vet, I like to look out. But man, 8:30. Good thing this is going to be a quick video because I've already looked at the weed eater. It looks brand new. He just say he can't get it started. So it's either a tune or a carb cleaner. Let's get it. Okay, so we're going to prime it 10 times. The problem with it, guys, is it does not stay running. And when it does stay running, I have to keep it choked out. On top of, if I give it gas, I gotta feather it and play with it. It's an ordeal. Okay. No choke, a little bit of throttle, enough fuel. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna open up the low screw and start from there. That's if this thing, I don't even have the right tool for the job. All of my tuning tools have broken, getting overused. So I'm gonna have to get some more. Alright, there we go. Choke it out, prime it 3 times. Or excuse me, purge it. Okay, guys, that's promising. I was able to start it in less pulls, so we're getting somewhere. And basically, I'm gonna tune the low screw, which is closest to the motor, and we're gonna get it to where we need it. fuel. Yep, okay. All right, guys, that sounds good. Let's fire up. Oh yeah, she's good. All right, guys, thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.